Welcome back to the deep dive into the void. We've talked about diamond planets and the Great Attractor, but today we're looking at the things that sound like they shouldn't exist, but do. We're talking about particles that move faster than logic, a graveyard of satellites that could trap us on Earth forever, and the literal end of time itself. Welcome to Random Top 10s. If you thought the last two videos were crazy, you haven't seen anything yet. You've heard of rain, but you've never seen it like this. Deep within the gas giants Neptune and Uranus, the pressure is so intense that it literally crushes carbon atoms into solid diamonds. These diamonds then rain down through the atmosphere toward the planet's core. We aren't talking about small pebbles either. Scientists believe some of these diamond hailstones could be millions of carats in size. Every year, the Moon moves approximately 3.8 centimeters, 1.5 inches, further away from Earth. This happens because of tidal friction. The Earth's rotation pushes the Moon into a slightly higher orbit. Eventually, the Moon will be so far away that total solar eclipses will be impossible. Don't worry though, this process is slow. It will take billions of years before the Moon truly leaves our gravitational hug. In 1991, physicists detected a single subatomic particle, likely a proton, traveling at 99.9951% the speed of light. It was dubbed the "Oh my God" particle because it had the kinetic energy of a professional baseball pitch, all packed into a single particle. To put that in perspective, the energy E was approximately 3 × 10⁻20 eV. If a single proton hits with that much force, imagine what an entire object moving that fast would do. We still don't know what cosmic event could have accelerated a particle to that speed. There are millions of pieces of space junk orbiting Earth right now. Dead satellites, spent rocket stages, and even flecks of paint moving at 17,500 miles per hour. Kessler Syndrome is a theoretical scenario where one collision creates a cloud of debris that triggers a chain reaction of more collisions. Eventually, the orbit around Earth becomes so thick with lethal shrapnel that we can never launch another rocket again. We would be effectively trapped on Earth, looking at a sky we can no longer reach. The Pillars of Creation is one of the most famous images captured by Hubble. But here's the kicker, they might not even exist anymore. Because the pillars are about 7,000 light-years away, we are seeing them as they were 7,000 years ago. Some astronomers believe a nearby supernova shockwave destroyed them roughly 6,000 years ago. If that's true, we are currently looking at a ghost image of a structure that was wiped out before the pyramids were even built. A magnetar is a type of neutron star with a magnetic field so powerful it defies comprehension. A typical magnetar's field is about 10⁻11 Tesla. If a magnetar were to fly within 100,000 miles of Earth, half the distance to the Moon, its magnetic pull would be so strong it would instantly strip the data from every credit card on the planet and literally pull the iron out of your blood. We all know black holes suck everything in, but Einstein's equations also allow for the mathematical possibility of white holes. A white hole is the theoretical opposite, a region of space-time that nothing can enter, and from which matter and light constantly erupt. Some physicists suggest that every black hole might lead to a white hole in another universe, a cosmic exit to a one-way entrance. There are billions of Earth-like planets in our galaxy. So, where is everyone? This is the Fermi paradox. One terrifying explanation is the Great Filter. It suggests that there is some wall that all civilizations hit that leads to their extinction before they can colonize space. The big question is, Have we already passed our filter, or is it still waiting for us in the future? If you traveled in a straight line in space forever, would you eventually come back to where you started? According to the latest data from the Planck satellite, the answer is likely no. Observations of the cosmic microwave background radiation suggest that the universe has zero curvature. This means the universe is flat and likely infinite. If it is infinite, then every possible version of you exists somewhere out there, an infinite number of times. Everything has an end. In about 10 to the pounds of 100 years, the universe will reach a state of maximum entropy. Stars will burn out, black holes will evaporate through Hawking radiation, and even atoms will eventually fall apart. The universe will become a cold, dark, uniform soup of nothingness, where no energy can be transferred. This is the heat death. No light, no heat, no life, just an eternal, silent equilibrium. From raining diamonds to the final silence of the heat death, the universe is a masterpiece of chaos. This concludes our trilogy on the wonders and terrors of space. If you've enjoyed this journey, please give the video a like and share it with someone who needs a little perspective today. Make sure to subscribe to Random Top 10s. We have plenty more lists coming your way that are a bit more down to earth. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay curious.